Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of CARevive. And now I've got a confession. I sort of messed up a bit and I had a little too much faith in the RX8 passing its MOT. So I did my own quick checks, went round it, didn't service it, didn't do anything, and this is what has happened. I've failed my MOT. So we have here a leaking offside rear brake caliper, and the tester did show me it was leaking quite a bit. I'm surprised that I didn't pick it up, so we'll get a new one of those. The emissions have all failed quite spectacularly. Now, the car wasn't driven very much, barely 1,000 miles a year, probably never even got up to temperature, and was overdue a service anyway. So the car was smelling a bit rich, and yeah, this sort of shows why. I'll show you the emissions readouts. So apart from the natural idle test, which it passed just, everything else is a clear fail. So we've got some work to do here. I have got everything together for a full service. I'll get that sorted out, videos to follow. Here we go, first start.
In a bit. First, it's time for one of my favourite ones from him though. It's both playing right now.
So I started up from cold without too much fuss. So this is running soon after a cold start. Pretty smooth, if I'm honest. No obvious misfires or anything like that. In touch with Rotary specialist Aston at Essex Rotary, so there'll be a link in the description at the bottom, so please go along and visit his website and his business. He's a top-notch guy. I've not actually met him himself, but I've seen a lot of his videos and they're very, very helpful, informative, and will help me to see what's going on with this car and why it's not passing. So hopefully, with a bit of luck and some crossed fingers, we should have a pass. So I've got 2 weeks to get the car fighting fit. So I'm hoping there won't be any costly repairs involved, just a matter of a good quality service, a good run, and we should get through our emissions, and of course that leaky brake caliper. So join me very soon where we'll go through those steps in the prep and hopefully pass our MOT. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, follow and like everything that I do. I've already had a lot of subscribers and likes and comments from my first video, so thank you ever so much for that, and I hope you continue to like my content.